Yeah, no, it's been really hard since we parted ways. We haven't really talked much, and it's pretty hard, but I'm getting a lot of it.
Oh, what, you gotta go? No, yeah, that's I'll call someone. Yeah, I'll say. Hello? Car accident? My mom? Is she okay? What about my dad?
What's up, guys? You know what time it is. Today we're gonna be playing Punch That Guy at the Vending Machine. There it is. Check this out. Whoa! You f***ing seen that shit, guys? Get fucked! Yeah! Ow! My head. What happened? I don't remember anything, but I think I gotta call my parents. Oh yeah, the vending machine. It worked! I'm gonna get Coke. Finally! Yes! After all this time! What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Steal the Guy's Coke at the Vending Machine. Hey, give me that fucking shit! Shut the fuck up! This day couldn't get any worse. Dude, what the hell? I think this guy's like actually I'm gonna take his wallet. Oh, I got that shit. Fuck you.